Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 20, and in this video I will be explain exercise question of chapter number 8 redox reaction. So question number 27, predict the products of the electrolysis in each of the following. So first is an aqueous solution of AgNO3 with silver electrodes. So aqueous solution of AgNO3 with silver electrode. So AgNO3 ionized in aqueous solution to form Ag plus and NO3 minus ion. Okay. So question given an aqueous solution of AgNO3 with silver electrode. So we have to find electrolysis product. Okay, so first see AgNO3 ionized and which ion given Ag plus and NO3 minus ion. Okay, and on electrolysis either Ag plus ion or H2O molecules can be decreased at cathode and but the reduction potential of the Ag plus ion is higher than that of water. Okay, and in my notes already I explained electrode potential value in given table. Okay, so in the table you see Ag plus value given plus 0.80 volt. Okay, and in exam already given the value for Ag. Okay, and but some ions you learn like Ag, copper, so you learn electrode potential value. So in the table given value Ag plus value given electrode potential value plus 0.80 volt. Okay, and then you see Ag plus that is means whenever convert into the formation of the Ag, so Ag plus gain of one electron, so convert into the Ag, and water H2O, two water molecule, so 2 electron gain, so convert into the H2 plus 2 OH minus, and in the table value given water minus 0.83 volt, 4 Ag plus 0.80 volt. Okay, and in exam also given the value. So see Ag plus ion decreased at cathode and convert into the Ag. Okay, and water molecule can be oxidized and then but oxidation potential of the Ag plus greater than water molecule. Then you see Ag value, because for Ag reverse way Ag loss of electron then convert into the Ag plus and then loss of electron, so its value minus 0.80 volt because AgNO3. So first we have to see Ag plus gain of electron and convert into the Ag reduction way, and then reverse way Ag loss of electron and then its electrode potential in negative way because it is a oxidation potential, because oxidation that is means loss of electron, so its value minus 0.80 volt. And then water whenever reduction represent, so gain of the electron and then formation hydrogen, then value minus 0.83 volt. But whenever water represent oxidation potential, so its formation product O2 plus 4H plus 4 electron. Okay, so then value it's minus 1.23 volt. So that is means Ag metal get oxidized at anode. Okay, clear? So again I say AgNO3 ionized in an aqueous solution to form Ag plus and NO3 ion minus ion. One time you see represent reduction way and second time you represent oxidation. Okay, so reduction potential value and oxidation potential value. So oxidation potential value you see minus 0.80 volt. So that is means oxidation potential of value of Ag is greater than water potential, and then in reduction way, Ag plus ion also reduction potential is higher than the water. So that is means Ag metal get oxidized at anode. Next question number second, an aqueous solution AgNO3 with platinum electrode. First you see aqueous solution of AgNO3 with silver electrode, that is means Ag. So we have to first we have to represent Ag. Ag represent oxidation and represent reduction and oxidation, because AgNO3 put into the Ag with Ag electrodes, and in the second AgNO3 with platinum electrode. And you already know platinum cannot be oxidized very easily, but whenever AgNO3 with silver electrode, so silver electrode represent oxidation, but platinum cannot be oxidized very easily. So at anode, oxidation of water occurs to liberate O2. So cathode Ag plus ion decreased and get deposit. Okay. Then question number third, dilute solution of sulfuric acid with platinum electrode. So see, sulfuric acid ionized in aqueous solution to give H plus ion and sulfate ions, 2H plus SO4 minus 2. But whenever on electrolysis, so either of water molecule or H plus ion can decrease at cathode, but the decrease the potential of H plus ion is higher than water molecule, because we have to see potential value platinum electrode. So platinum electrode, so that is means standard hydrogen platinum electrode, it is not represent. Okay, cannot be oxidized. So first we have to see electrolysis as a represent reduction potential value. So 2H plus gain of 2 electron and convert into hydrogen gas, and it is standard hydrogen electrode, so 0.0 volt. Then it is H2O SO4 in aqueous way. So water molecule, it's also gain 2 electrons, so convert into the hydrogen gas and 2 OH minus, so that its potential value minus 0.83 volt. Then cathode, this is the way on anode. Then cathode H plus ions are decreased to free hydrogen gas. Then on other hand, this is the cathode way, and other hand at anode, water molecule and sulfate molecule can be oxidized, but the oxidation of sulfate breaking of more bonds than comparison than water molecule. So sulfate ions have lowest oxidation potential than water. So water is oxidized at anode to free O2 molecule. Okay, so cathode H plus ion decreased and free H2 ion, and then anode H2O oxidized at anode to free O2 molecule. So hydrogen and O2 both are obtained. Then question number 4, in aqueous solution copper chloride. Question number 4, aqueous solution of CuCl2 with platinum electrode. So CuCl2 ionized to give copper plus 2 and Cl minus ion. So you represent copper Cl2, Cu2 plus and 2 Cl minus. Okay, and whenever electrolysis, so reduction potential first represents copper 2 plus, that is means 2 electron gain, and convert into the copper. So its electrode potential value already given in table, electrode potential value given plus 0.34 volt, and then water also given 2 electrons, so H2 plus 2 OH minus, so its value minus 0.83 volt. So that is means copper plus 2 ion decreased at cathode and get deposit, and at anode water is oxidized, otherwise Cl minus. So oxidation potential of value minus 0.83 volt for water, and then its value chloride and plus 0.34. So which greater? This is way. So water is higher than Cl minus. Okay, and then opposite way, whenever chloride and oxidized, so plus Cl2 and then plus 2 electron loss. So it's 2Cl minus loss of 2 electron and convert into the Cl2. So electrode potential plus 0.34 volt, and water represent oxidation and 4 electron remove. So its value minus 1.23 volt. So which but oxidation of water molecule at lower electrode comparison than Cl minus ion because of over voltage. So result chloride ion are oxidized at anode and represent liberate Cl2 gas. So one time you represent reduction and second time you represent oxidation. Reduction whenever represent so gain of electron, and oxidation represents so loss of electron. And electrode potential value also given in table, so you learn it main ion, or otherwise in exam also given the electrode potential value. Okay, only for you see according to the electrode potential value which is oxidized and which is reduced. Okay, then question number 28. Arrange the given matters in the order in which they displace each other from the solution of their salt. Aluminium, Fe, copper, zinc, magnesium. So see, aluminium. So a metal with stronger reducing power displaces another metal with weaker reducing power from its solution of the salt. First you see this is the sequence way. Copper reducing power, increasing reducing power. Fe, then zinc, then aluminium, magnesium. So which is in magnesium? Reducing power magnesium. Okay, so stronger a metal with stronger reducing power so displace another metal with weaker reducing power. Okay, with solution of salt. So whenever one metal with other metal, okay, so one metal is a stronger reducing power, so it is displace another metal with weaker reducing power. Okay, so magnesium can displace aluminium from its solution, but aluminium cannot displace magnesium because the reason this is the okay, the order in which the given metal displace each other from the solution of their salt. Okay, so this is the way. Clear? Question number 29. Given the standard electrode potential, these values are given. K plus convert into the K. So value is minus 2.93 volt. Ag plus convert into the Ag. So value given 0.80 volt. Hg2 plus convert into the Ag. Value given 0.79 volt. So these values given in the question. Mg2 plus convert into the Mg, so minus 2.37 volt. Cr3 plus convert into the Cr, so minus 0.74 volt. So arrange these matters in increasing order of reducing power. Okay, because given Ag, Hg, Cr, magnesium or potassium. So value you see. So magnesium value minus 2.37 volt. Chromium value minus 0.74 volt, and potassium value high. So this sequence, reducing agent is stronger as the electrode potential decrease. So the electrode potential value decrease. So that is mean increasing order of the reducing power of the given metal. So Ag lowest, then Hg, and then chromium, and then magnesium and potassium. Potassium a reducing agent. Okay, its value stronger. Okay, so reducing power of potassium maximum because you see its electropotential value. Then question number 30. Depict the galvanic cell in which the reaction, this reaction given, zinc react with Ag plus, so zinc convert into the Zn2 plus and 2 Ag. So show the following. First is which of the electrode is negatively charged. So you see first galvanic cell represent Zn convert into the Zn2 plus, so single line you represent Zn oblique Zn2 plus, 2 bar line Ag plus convert into the Ag. So zinc represent oxidation, so convert into the Zn2 plus, and Ag plus gain of electron, so convert into the Ag. Okay, so zinc is, first question is which electrode is negatively charged. So you already know zinc oxidized, so that is means zinc electrode is negatively charged because at this electrode zinc oxidized to Zn2 plus. Okay, and leaving electrode. Then question number second, the name of the carriers of the current in the cell. So ions, because here given ions, so the carriers of the current are ions in the cell. Question number third, write the individual reaction at each electrode. So first we have to write oxidation. So Zn converted into Zn2 plus by loss of 2 electron. Okay, this is the oxidation half reaction. And then reaction at Ag. So Ag plus electron gain and convert into the Ag solid. Okay, so this is the question number 30. Okay. So if you require my notes, so you collect from school. So this chapter is over. In next video I will start new chapter. Thank you so much.